Just last week, we shared our Meta trade, and so far it has already returned over 200% profit, with the stock jumping more than 5% in the latest session. Now, a lot of people are asking us, are we closing the trade to take profits or staying in for more gains? So in this video, we'll answer that by looking at the latest data and showing you what the wealthy investor behind this winning trade is doing now. Even if you're not in this meta trade, there is still a valuable lesson here. By watching how wealthy investors manage winning positions, we can learn how to protect gains while keeping the door open for additional upside. The strategy we're about to show is designed so that if Meta pulls back, we can protect the trade from turning into a loss while still participating if the stock continues higher. But here's the key. To set up this strategy effectively, it helps to position early, just as the wealthy investor we've been tracking did. Just last week, on this day, July 1st, we detected an unusual options trade in Meta placed by this investor. At the time, the stock was trading around $612 per share. This was the video we shared on our channel about 1 week ago, where we analyzed a $13 million options trade to determine whether Meta stock would move up higher based on how smart money was trading. And after analyzing the data, it was clearly flashing a buy signal, indicating the stock would move up higher. So we entered a bullish options trade based on our analysis. And as it turns out, that analysis was correct and highly profitable, because Meta stock did indeed move up higher to around $669 per share. So this trade has paid off in a big way. If you want to learn how we predicted this stock move, we'll link this video at the top. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these very profitable opportunities. Now keep in mind, even if you're subscribed to our channel, you could still miss out on these profitable trades. That's because we do not always have time to make videos. We spend most of our time analyzing data for the exclusive trades we share inside our membership. That's why we use email alerts. They're the fastest way to share trades, even when there's no time to make a video. And so if you want access to more of these profitable trade opportunities, including email alerts, consider signing up for our free newsletter on our website. We'll link it up here. It's simple, quick, takes less than a minute, and best of all, it's completely free. And if you want full access to all of our trade alerts, including real-time updates, detailed analysis, and earlier entries, consider joining the membership. Members get earlier access to trades like this before anyone else, even before we share them in our free newsletter or on our YouTube channel. So if you're tired of being late and want more time to act on these opportunities, this is your chance to get direct access to the trades of wealthy investors and potential insiders so you can see what the smart money is doing before the trade becomes highly profitable. Now, speaking of profits, how much did this options trade actually make? That profit number is important because it helped us determine how to manage the position and what to do next. So if we had simply bought Meta stock by using shares, we'd be looking at a solid 9% gain in 1 week. But because we bought call options instead of just buying shares, our profits were even higher, thanks to the leverage that options provide to amplify returns, capturing even bigger gains. And so, let's take a look back at our original trade on the risk profile graph, analyzing the same options that a wealthy investor was trading last week. These July 17th call spreads at the 650 and 700 strike calls, priced at $691 per contract when we entered this trade. And remember, this shows option prices, so we either move the decimal 2 places to the right or multiply by 100 since each option contract controls 100 shares of stock. That means each call spread initially cost $691. And so on this graph, our profit or loss shows up here, and the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, which is currently trading over here, and the y-axis represents the amount of profit or loss. Keep in mind, this graph already includes the cost of the trade. That's why you can see on the blue line that if the stock had dropped down, it would have been a negative $691 loss per contract, the entire cost of the trade. but instead it went up higher to about here. So we have a profit of $1,465 per contract. And so to calculate the profit percentage, we take the profit of $1,465 and divide it by the initial cost of $691 and then multiply by 100 to express it as a percentage, and that gives us a return of 212% profit in just 1 week, more than doubling our original investment. And so this is yet another real-time example of how we keep winning using data-driven analysis and trading strategies that track the trades of wealthy investors, because understanding where smart money flows gives us deep insights into potential stock moves in the market. The rich often have more access to exclusive research and information, sometimes even leaked insider information that help them make better, smarter financial decisions. This is how smart money always stays one step ahead, well before the rest of the market catches on. No wonder the rich get richer. And so if you want to get access to more of these insights from the rich, then just head over to our website. We'll put a link up here where you can see exactly which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street and when they're doing it, so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? Now, with that being said, not all trades by wealthy investors are winners. Some end up as losses. Nobody wins on every trade. That's just the practical reality of trading. And so to stay consistently profitable over the long run, we use strategies with a better risk-to-reward ratio to maximize profits and minimize losses. So as a real-time example, let's walk through how we use the latest data to manage this trade, reduce downside risk, and protect our profits. As we can see here on the option chain, our original trade was in these July 17th options at the 650 strike calls. But take a look at the volume here. We have over 20,000 contracts being traded. And remember, when we analyzed that unusual trade last week, that wealthy investor opened 20,000 contracts. So based on our analysis, many of these contracts were being closed to take profits. So we also started to close some of our contracts to lock in profits to reduce risk, trimming our position here, marked as POS. Now, since this trade was a call spread, we can also take a look at the 700 strike calls. And we can see here that many contracts were also being traded here. We also closed part of our position to lock in enough profits to fully recover the cost of our original investment. Because the contracts had gained more than 200% profit, we were able to trim the position by selling half of our contracts. This allowed us to take all of our original capital off the table while continuing to hold the remaining contracts using only profits from the trade. So even if Meta stock were to crash and the remaining contracts lost all of their value, we would still avoid a net loss on the overall trade because our entire original investment has already been recovered. At the same time, we can continue to gain more profits if Meta moves higher. This is how we increase our profit potential while managing risk and protecting gains we've already made. But keep in mind, this strategy was only possible because we positioned early by following that wealthy investor last week, before Meta stock jumped higher. So if you missed our previous analysis showing exactly why we first entered this trade, which is now up 212% profit, we'll link that video here. For more strategies backed by our deep analysis and trade alerts, visit our website. We'll link it here, because the next time a wealthy investor makes an unusual trade, you'll want to be in early, not chasing after it's already gone up. Take care and have a wonderful day.